Good morning, Watch Talk. It's Dude Principal, and I have an unboxing for you today. This is a watch that I picked up at Windup Chicago from a brand called Prevail. It is a field watch, but a field watch with a different futuristic take. So stand by and we'll get into this. So at Windup Chicago, as I was walking around, this watch was a watch that caught my eye. And I spoke to the owner, Hassan Madras, who co-owns the company with watch designer Matt Smith Johnson. Now, Matt Smith Johnson is also known for his design work with brands like Laco and Vero. And I confirmed with Hassan that indeed every sale that he makes, every watch he sells, $20 is donated to scientific research to benefit veterans, protecting veterans. Hassan, being a former U.S. Air Force Reserve staff judge advocate, that makes sense. And what an amazing thing for a micro brand to do to benefit veterans. And there you kind of get a sneak peek of what it's like. This is the Onward field watch. There are the specs: water resistance 200 meters, 660 feet. Movement is a Ronda 513 quartz, fixed bezel and lugs, and a 20 millimeter pass-through strap in case you want to update, refresh your Onward. Now on to the watch itself, which when I saw it, my wife was there with me. She said, "I knew as soon as you saw it that you were going to buy it." And she was absolutely right. So let's open this tin, and there it is. This is the Onward from Prevail, and it comes in two styles of dial, one with numbers and one without. The lume is very strong, I can tell you that. I can see it at night when I wear it, no problem. Exactly how a field watch should be. Let's go through this a little bit. So, sapphire crystal, and you can tell it's such a unique shape. And I can tell you, I have worn this many times since Chicago. It is extremely comfortable on my wrist. Has a signed crown. Not only that, it's a screw down crown. There you see it pop out. Put it back in there. I also like the unique shape of the hands. The band, the strap is very comfortable. Signed clasp there. All nice touches from Hassan over at Prevail. Like I said, it is a very comfortable strap, but you can replace it if you want, because another nice feature of this watch is that it has fixed bars, okay? Fixed bars, which very nice on a field watch. You see that in some other field watch companies, Bertucci, for example. But I want to talk about the finishing. The finishing is top notch, as you can see. There's no burrs. There are no burrs on here. Nothing that looks unfinished or, a mistake from the CNC machining. I'm assuming it's CNC. I'm not sure. But there, as you can see, it's a screw down case back as well, screw down crown, sapphire crystal, like I had explained earlier. Nice Prevail logo in there, and it wears like a dream. So there it is on wrist, extremely comfortable. They come in stainless, and he also has a version called Shadow Gray. They retail for $275. There's orange, black with stainless. This model with stainless, and the Shadow Gray is all black with the Shadow Gray case and band. So there you have it, the Prevail Onward. Hassan and Matt are definitely knocking it out of the park with this one. If If you want one, go to their website. I don't know if they have any left, but if you want one, they are great futuristic field watches for a great price. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. And as always, get back to class.